So when you're looking at houses on Zillow, do you ever wonder, well, is the asking price for the homes worth it? How do I know what it's worth? Are they one and the same or are they different? Well, let's talk about it. They are very different. Asking price is just that. It's an asking price. The sellers are guessing on the price most of the time, and here's how you can tell if they are guessing. If they've done their research and they priced it close to market value, it will sell quickly. So if you see a house listed and it's been sitting there for a while, their asking price is just a guess. I mean, you can probably negotiate the price down. What is the market value? The market value is actually what the market is willing to pay for the house. So on the contrary, sometimes the seller could list their house way high and they find the needle in the haystack buyer that loves the house and they got cash and they buy it for whatever price. That happens too sometimes. One thing to be aware, if you're going to buy a house, make sure that you ask the buyer, get information on showing you exactly why the house is priced, where it's at, what's it worth, and how you can get the best deal. We actually send them a screen recording for 5 to 10 minute video where they see through our eyes. They see us analyze the property. We go to the comparables, active listing, and the recent sales. We show them all the photos and speaking directly to the microphone so they can get a recorded video that shows them exactly why the home is priced where it is and what it's worth.